Good afternoon, everybody. We're back. We're only going to get to do one small job. We had rain this morning and we're going to have massive storms this afternoon. It's about noon, or no, I'm sorry, it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I hope you guys had a blessed weekend. We did, didn't we? Mm-hmm. And Doc is getting ready to go back on his diet. I left it for about 3 or 4 weeks. I'm getting ready to go back on it. Start my working out again. My ribs are healed. I feel good. And we've got a small job to do, but I gotta be in some poison ivy, so that's why I've got the long sleeve shirt on and the thick gloves. Just waiting for the customer to pull out of his drive so I can get in there and we can start working. So we will see you in a minute. Okay guys, we're gonna cut all this out, pull the poison ivy out of here. That's why I have gloves and a long sleeve shirt. On while I'm using that chainsaw so I don't get that squirting stuff all over my hands. All over my pants. Hey there, how are you? A little bit. All right, honey, walk up to here. I'm gonna put some stuff in that.
Yeah, even this stuff here.
Yep. Open it up wide. Okay, something's not right here. Poison ivy, guys. Ooh, I don't want that. Yeah. I do not want that. I'll show you guys when this is done what it looks like. But boy, lots of poison ivy, so we'll be back soon. What do you think, honey?
Boo for poison ivy.
Exactly. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, there it is when it's all ripped out. So now we're going to put these in, and I'll tell you what they are as soon as I get over there. Sarah's going to do some weeding right here. We'll be back. Okay, good. Those are called Hackin' Chloe. If you can see that. If that's how you say it, I have no idea. All gold perennial foliage. Those are going to look really pretty in there. Got a little bit of mulch to put around them. I'm sure that I will get poison ivy here, guys, because I've been touching my pants with my forearms. I'm going to wash off before we leave here. But she bought some hardwood mulch. I'm going to put that down for her around these. Oh, and it's all wet. So, you know what that is? A lot of fun. Woo. Okay, guys, there it is. There's the finished product. All done. Put a little bit of mulch around this. I got Big H on the phone. Big H, say hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Get it!
Get it, y'all, get it.
All right, guys, we'll be back in a minute, but there it is. The job took us probably like an hour. Let me see, actually. Oh, it did. It took exactly 1 hour, so not bad. Miss Sarah's up there in the truck already. Well, I got to talk to Big H, guys, so y'all have a good day. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, we're back home. This video is just a hodgepodge of stuff. Definitely working tomorrow, mowing. Just poured rain on us, but anyway, came home and changed out the bearings in these front casters here. They were getting sloppy. You could just take them and just shake them back and forth, and this thing's got, let's see how many hours it has on it. I think we're right on the precipice of 1,000. I'm not sure yet. Well, close. 935. So 65 more hours, which is going to take about the end of this month, and then we'll be at 1,000. So those are on. They're new. What do you think, Mrs. Sarah?
Yeah.
Twills are still doing really good. Still got a lot, I mean, just tons of life on them. And just decided to do that today since it was raining out. And man, if you guys need some Amazon boxes or, you know, whatever you need, I've got a surplus of stuff. There's my clock Dobie got me. Well, listen, guys, hope you enjoyed that little small bit of work we did. Definitely be out tomorrow getting footage for you. We're supposed to get rain Friday and Saturday. So I may just end up doing hedges, taking my mower with me, doing some mowing while I'm out, but I don't think I'm gonna mow everything. I'm still up in the air. I got some thinking to do. So hey, hope you guys had a blessed day. I have to get down on my knees and ask for forgiveness. I let a few choice words fly out of the old mouth. Like I said, Christians aren't perfect, and I hate doing it, but man, I smacked my finger something awful, and wow, it hurt. So guys, as always, Doctor really worn out was in the house, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.